Talking about we could get some more. Hey, you guys, it's your girl Amber. What's up with the gang squad? I'm vlogging a little bit today and tomorrow. Why can't I find my shoes? I done walked around this damn house like how many times? Oh God. Oh, there they go. So yeah, so I'm gonna be vlogging today, vlog a little bit tomorrow. I got like some scattered plans for tomorrow. So my friend's son's birthday is tomorrow, and then my friends invited me and my husband and my baby to the beach. And yeah, I just don't know what to do. Where's my wallet? Oh, you wearing socks with yours? I need to put some socks on with mine too. I need to put on some pants.
No, you can't. You don't need to put on socks because you got the dress on.
Yes, I said I needed to put on some pants.
No, just you do it.
So, yes. So y'all just follow me around. I'll be around and I'll be recording. Hopefully I'll remember to pick up the camera and record. So, it's that on that. Period. Alright, y'all. Ooh. I don't have y'all on a stand, so hopefully y'all don't just come tumbling down. I was eating, y'all. Well, we went to the BX and we got my friend's son a gift. And then I was eating. Well, I went to my favorite place and got a poke bowl. And I was eating. And I totally forgot to say, hey, y'all, I got a poke fry bowl. So yeah. Get into that. It's a spicy tuna Coke bowl. I mean my chin. And I'm low-key full. I'm so full. And my son got some fries from there. We're at Home Depot and I was in Home Depot and I smelled my son. I was like, yo, do need his diaper change. Like, the hell? So I had to come change the diaper. Yeah, I'm full. And me, I actually like to eat my poke bowl at the place that I buy it. I don't buy poke bowls at other grocery store. I only get poke bowls from like sushi places. So I like to sit down and eat my sushi or eat my poke bowl. And yeah. Me and my husband did a movie night last night. We off until Tuesday, so shit. We just be staying up. We might do a movie night tomorrow. I mean tonight. I'll record a little bit. I can't record the whole thing, of course, because we just be sitting there watching movies and being dumb. And I'm going to get a game for my PlayStation. I'll record when we go into the mall. It's like not easy, but it's easier to record in the mall than it is on the military base. So yeah. My favorite drink. So fresh. Tastes like real lemon. I love anything and everything lemon, lime, sour, tart. I love it. Speaking of that, I had bought some gum. My husband bought me some gum. He didn't even know he was buying me this gum. But let me tell you about that bit here. This thing's good as hell. I'm about to give me a piece. I'll show y'all how it looks. This damn gum good as hell. And my son some eats. I'm like, some eat what? So good. I'm about to break me a piece off. I'll put a hole in the thing. Right, yo. We're waiting on my husband to come out of Home Depot so we can go to the mall. Oh, y'all seen that in my eye. Anyway, I am making a chicken patty, fried chicken patty. I'm gonna cut it up, I'm gonna eat it. I remember last time I recorded, last time I picked up the camera. Oh, where were we at? I don't know if I recorded in the mall. Look at this thing burning up. I can't remember, y'all, to be completely honest. You know how you get flat? Oh, we was at Home Depot. We was going to the mall. We didn't make it. But yeah. So I don't know what my plans are for tomorrow because my friends say they're going to the beach at 10 a.m. The birthday party starts at 2. So we gonna see. I'm just making me a chicken patty. I'll show y'all my chicken patty. Making me a chicken patty. I hate when it gets like soft in the middle. It makes me want to throw it back in the fryer, but then I'm gonna cut it up anyway. I'm not gonna eat it in bread. If I was gonna eat it in bread, that would have been a problem. But y'all probably see a little bit of tonight's shenanigans. That was my son. So yeah.
Okay, and then we have a bralette as well.
All right, y'all. I'm watching Patricia Bright. Patricia Bright. I'm trying to be like Patricia Bright with a 2.8 million. Okay. I know y'all probably can't see me. I just came back to show y'all my food that I'm eating before I start drinking. I'm sorry, I'm not a drunk, but that really came off as, bitch, you are a drunk. Right? No, I'm not a drunk. All right. I'm eating some llamas, which is just lima beans. It's just my fun way of saying lima beans. Some llamas with some turkey tail, smoked turkey tail in there, and rice. If you wondering what turkey tail is, I can't help you. I'm in Guam, and that's what they named it in the store, and my auntie said it looked like ham hock. So, I don't know. But alright, y'all. I'm about to eat this, and I can start drinking. I'm trying to finish the rest of my water. I filled this entire thing up with water. I'm gonna drink all of that, and then I'm gonna be drunk, sorry. I'm just playing. I'm just playing. Y'all probably thinking, ooh, this is a different side. I don't know if I like this too much. Oh, my baby. He's sleeping in his room. But yeah, see y'all guys. What's up, what's up, what's up, what's up? It's the morning time, as you guys can see. What's up with my gang, my gang, my gang, my gang, my squad? Hush, Bubba. So, I'm on my way to this beach called Retidian Beach. And this shit says it's an hour away. And I'm trying to understand how it's an hour away. And I live in Jigo. And it says in Jigo. Jigo is not an hour long. So, I'm real confused. I know it's past the Air Force Base. It's from what I heard. I gotta stop and get something to eat. Y'all, last night I was supposed to record, but it just got a little crazy. We were drinking some soju, and that soju have you lit, okay? And we was sitting there having deep conversations and shit out of nowhere because we were drunk off of soju, or we was litty McTitty off of soju. But since I'm a mom, it don't matter how lit I get, I still have to get and go ahead and do what I need to do for the day, or do what I say I was gonna do for the day with my baby. So I'm good. I'm great. I just I need to get some water and I'll be good. I can't believe this thing really says an hour away. Good thing McDonald's is the way that we're going. I don't even know if y'all can hear me because the wind is actually blowing in the car, so I'm not sure. I text my friend, so hopefully she can text me back. I don't know how the service is on this beach, so I guess we will see. don't even know if y'all looking at my face. I don't even got to set up on my phone how I usually got to set up so I can see the monitor on my phone screen. So we'll see. I'll let y'all know when I get there. That's about as good as I can get right now with y'all. I'm hanging out with, kicking it with Cara.
Hey, shout out to me.
Follow her on YouTube with Kicking It with Cara. No, it's not. What is it?
That's it, right?
It is. It's Kicking It with Cara. Okay. Follow her on YouTube. I'll put her link down below. But we made it to the beach, and it's so nice looking. Look at that. Might give y'all some under the water shots. I don't know yet. Water. Yeah, water. So we'll see. We'll see. We'll see. Cause they pay for snorkeling and stuff too. So that's cool. Oh, I love fish. Fish. Look, fish. Fish. You can actually put it underwater and get a shot of them if you want it. Carl, like,
I don't even want them by me. I don't even want them by me. Ezra, you at the beach. You don't get in the water? Water, come on.
Look, it feels good in here once you're in here.
Go up there. Mama can stay down here. You go up there? By yourself?
Look at his little tongue. Oh my God, it's so cute. Ever! He got sand in his mouth. He'll
I got
learn
my
today.
water right
He'll
here.
learn today. Go like this.
Don't do that.
This is definitely going in the vlog.
Yeah. He's like,
Get the.
Here, babe.
I didn't like that.
He not
I
coming
didn't
back.
like that.
He done made. Oh, boy, right on his mouth.
Does he know how to spit out?
You got
He gonna
sand
Spit it out.
everywhere. You better not spit it out.
Yeah, he rinse it out.
Swallow that water.
Swallow
Sit
it.
there holding it.
Swallow the water.
Swallow that water,
Spit it
boy.
out.
He just holding it. Spit it out. Do something
it
with
out.
it. He said that. Ezra really be looking like, why y'all talking to me? Why y'all speaking to me?